Would you like to create a website that looks similar to this one, but you do not want to invest a lot of money or time developing it? Then watch this video on how to do it. Hello and welcome on this video tutorial on how to create a website from scratch. What you need is hosting, domain name, and WordPress already installed on your domain. Also, you need to purchase this Elementor template kit. The links are in the description below for your website to look like this. Now let's start with the tutorial. Go to your dashboard where you go to Appearances, Themes, and you add and install Hello Elementor theme. After that, you delete all the other themes that are already installed as you do not need them. They just slow down your website. Then again, go to Add New, Upload Theme, and import the child theme that you have downloaded with your purchase. Next thing you do, you need to install the Elementor plugin and activate it. Here you do not need to do anything, just skip all the parts, as we will set up everything later. You can activate containers and other new features with newest Elementor, except editor top bar, which is having some problems. Now again, go to plugins, add new and install essential add-ons for Elementor plugin and activate it. For this website to work, you need to have an Elementor Pro license, so follow the link in the description and buy your license. Elementor Pro is a really good page builder, so I really recommend you to get the Pro version as it has a lot of features. So after purchasing your license and after you have downloaded the zip file, go to Plugins, add new, upload plugin, and just upload the zip file and activate the plugin. Now all that is left to do is you need to connect and activate your license. Now go to Pages, All Pages, and delete the pages that have already been there as you don't need them. You do the same with the posts. Now to upload the kit, you go to Elementor, Tools, Import Export Kit, and click on Start Import. And upload the zip files you have downloaded and click Next and click Import. Here you just put Enable and now everything is on the site. It needs just a few moments to set up everything correctly and here you go. You have already a website that looks like this. You just need a little bit of tweaking, importing your media files, your content, maybe adding your branding colors and so on, adding pages. So now let me show you a few tips on how you can edit this website to fit your brand's branding. So the first thing I probably would do is I would change the logo. To do that, I would go to Customize. Then I would go to Site Identity and change the logo. Upload the logo of your brand and save it. Then here you change the site title and the tagline. You can also add your own favicon to your brand, okay? Then publish it. Next thing you could do is maybe change the color. You do not want to have a sage color. To do that, you just go to Edit with Elementor and click on the first container, go to Style, Background Overlay, and change your color. Before doing that, I would suggest to change your global colors. These are the global colors I use for this website, but if you have other branding colors, do that first. You do that by going here and click on Site Settings. And you have global colors and you change these to your ones. You can add hex code or RGB numbers. You can also change your global fonts for primary, secondary text, and so on. Here you can see all the settings you can change to your branding. Here you can also switch it up as you wish, change the color, change the background, change the photos. All you have to do is just select the container or section within the container. You can change the image, you can change the motion effect. Everything is manageable here. You can edit layout, style, advanced. Under advanced, you'll see motion effects, and here you can do whatever you please. Just play around and see. If you make a mistake and you do not know how to go back, just click here in the bottom, history, and then now it's no history because I haven't done any edits, but you will see the edits and just go to the previous saved template, okay? To use a template I provided when you create a new post, for example, how you do that is, let's do an example. Go to posts, add new, add your title. I'm just going to type in Sage and go to edit with Elementor. We're going to use this one. And there you have it. Now you created your own website. I hope this tutorial was easy enough to follow along. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me on my email in the description box down below, or you can just comment on this video and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching. Take care and bye.